The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
And now you come tell me if you wear mask. How long you have the emissions of the cars? How long you have carbon monoxide out of the trucks and the buses and the cars? Them are poison the people, them and them sitting there. Cigarette and then sitting there. The people are smoke. How much things you make give you? And you never say mask. And now you make mask come give you. Black people not try to get out. Because what? You've perfect your system now. You don't need us anymore. You don't need us to catch any timber fire. Because you got gas stove now. You don't need us to drive. You got cars. You don't need us to cut any canes again. You got machines cutting the canes. You got machines picking the apples. And you got machines in the supermarket cashing stuff. So it's coming to the cybernetic age. So you don't really need the human labor again. So you're just trying to play it off smooth. Because this is the end days, like the end games. It won't work. Understand?
Alright, viewers and subscribers. My name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about videos that are being talked about on social media. You see me? Yeah, I'm going to talk to you about videos that are getting a buzz on social media. So what I'm saying to you, and I just presented to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media that shows a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Sisla Kalanji. You see me? Now, this video shows Sisla Kalanji talking about COVID-19 and the wearing of masks and other things as well, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And the video is out on social media where some comments have been made about the video on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that Sisla Kalanji is against the wearing of masks. You see what I'm saying to you? I just bring a piece of the video to you so that you can hear some of the things that Sisla Kalanji had said in the entire video that is out there, and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. And you can also let me know what you think about what I just told you about the video that is out on social media. You see me? You can also let me know what you think about some of the things that you heard in that piece of video that I presented to you. Alright? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to another topic right about now, you see? And right about now, I'm going to talk to you about another video that is circulating on social media. And the video that I'm talking about, that video is out on social media where it is said that a person found something that is said to be a worm in a KFC meal. Or you could say KFC food, you see me?
Guys, I come home, I buy one bucket of chicken.
And I'm talking about KFC Kentucky Fried Chicken. You see what I'm saying to you?
Look at this. A worm, this, you know? This a worm.
Now, viewers and subscribers, some comments have been made about the video on social media. See me? And some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that you have to be careful when you buy fast food out there. You see what I'm saying to you? Some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that KFC might be at fault, and other comments have been made about this video on social media. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, the video is out on social media, and you don't know, I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So you can also let me know what you think about something like this where it is said that a worm had been found in a KFC meal. You see what I'm saying to you? Viewers and subscribers, I'm only telling you according to what had been said on social media. Alright? Now with that, I'm going to move on to another topic right about now, viewers and subscribers. And with that, I'm going to present to you a edited video that is out on social media. You see me? And this edited video that I'm talking about, viewers and subscribers, according to what had been said about this edited video on social media, it is said that this edited video shows a man who caught a female who he is in a relationship with cheating with a man. You see me? However, many places on social media, it is said that a husband caught his wife cheating. You see me? Or it is said that husband caught wife cheating. You understand? Now, viewers and subscribers, to my knowledge, and I also want you to please bear in mind that this edited video that I'm about to present to you shows persons who did not speak English in this edited video. You see what I'm saying to you? And to my knowledge, this edited video circulated on social media so much to the point where many persons who speak English commented about this edited video on social media. You see me? So I saw this edited video and I said to myself, I'm going to bring this edited video to my viewers and subscribers because it's being talked about on social media. You understand? Now, viewers and subscribers, as I'm about to present this edited video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this edited video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the edited video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Déjame pasar, yo confío y vos te salís con él. No, déjame pasar, no, Arica, déjame pasar. No, María, ¿sabes qué? No, María, cada vez lo mismo. Es algo.
¿Qué ha pasado, loco? Corre. Mira, lo pilló. Mira, ¿para qué ya esa? Ese es origen. ¿Y la chica se quedó? Otra vez pelea. Chale, va. Ya, qué hermoso. La esquina, vamos, corre. Mira. Siguen peleando. Mira, ahí hasta el otro escondido. Allá está escondido, mira. Uy, el viejo está. ¿Cómo, Romina? ¿Cómo? ¿Por qué te das tu Romina? ¿Sabes que yo te amo? El otro ahí es que se escondió. ¡La víctima! Oye, Romina, te pasaste. ¿Por qué le haces eso, Romina? No lo ves que te quiera.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. I talk to you about these videos because these videos are being talked about on social media. I mean, many comments have been made about these videos on social media. You see what I'm saying to you? And you know, I just bring these videos to you so that you can also take a look at these videos and you can also tell me what you think about some of the things that I said about these videos and also some of the things that you saw in these videos as well. Alright? So here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.